Edwards & Sons will find solutions to all of your Bay Area automotive equipment needs. We offer sales, service, installations, relocations, inspections, and project management for automotive lifts, heavy duty, wheel service, lube and air, and much more. Family owned and operated since 1987, we're customer focused and committed to providing safe, cost-effective service and product management. Our knowledge, expertise, and competitive pricing have made us the top choice for all clients throughout the greater Bay Area and beyond. We have extensive experience in automotive shop project management and work with commercial and residential clients of any size, from small independent repair shops to large dealerships, to provide the exceptional Bay Area automotive equipment. Need a new service center built from scratch? No problem. Our certified automotive equipment technicians can work with you to design and build a custom service center that meets your unique needs. Ready to install anything from air and oil lines, compressors and tanks, and heavy-duty rotary lifts. To begin working with the leaders in Bay Area automotive equipment, call us at 1-800-483-3927 or visit ensinc.com.